SlowCast English, Episode 1 Getting to Know Each Other.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Alex. It's nice to talk with you today.
It's nice to talk with you too. How are you feeling?
I feel calm today, not busy.
That's good to hear. Calm days are important.
Yes, life is often very fast.
I agree. That's why we like slow conversations.
Exactly. Slow talks help me think.
Can you tell me a little about your day?
Sure. I woke up early, but I didn't rush.
That sounds nice.
I had breakfast, then I read a little.
What did you read?
Just a short article. Nothing difficult.
Simple reading is good practice.
Yes, I enjoy learning slowly.
That's a great way to start the day.
This podcast introduction, Getting to Know Each Other. In this SlowCast English episode, Alex and Emma have a relaxed conversation to get to know each other. Speaking slowly, they discuss enjoying calm days, the benefits of slow conversations, their morning routines, and the value of simple learning to start the day. Perfect for English learners seeking clear, easy listening. Director of Video, Vera. Time of production, the 1st of February 2026.